Well, I hope everyone's having a wonderful weekend. It's been a while since I've posted anything, and that's because I'm still waiting on Unitree to send me a replacement logic board for my Go2 Pro. They determined that the IMU is failing, and it's been a couple of weeks. They were really responsive with the first series of parts that they sent, which unfortunately didn't fix Bobby, but now it seems to be like just radio silence. So I'll be sending them an email here later on today, but in the meantime I thought I would talk about this. This is a robotic hand that I found on eBay. You can see it. I think it's what's the name. High Wonder is the brand name, and you'll find a couple of different eBay sellers selling this along with AliExpress, and I don't think Amazon carries the complete kit. What they did carry was the hand, but not the electronics or the base or the wireless hand controller that you can get with the complete kit. And what is very frustrating about buying these things is the lack of documentation that you can find online. Now, the seller that I bought this from, they were great as far as the time frame. I ordered this and I had it very fast, but it came with no documentation at all. And I sent the seller an email asking for some documentation, and he asked for my email address, and I'm waiting to hear back from him. But in the meantime, I did find out how to put it together. Not too hard from pictures that you can find online, but as far as how to get it to work, that was a bit of a problem. The unit comes with both the wireless hand, but then also a PS2 controller, and where's the receiver? And receiver that plugs in here. Could not get this to work at all. I could see the activity from the transmitter to the receiver, but the hand didn't respond at all. So very frustrated there, and decided, well, let's try and see if I can get this going. Again, no literature, no software or anything yet. So just playing around with it, I did manage to get it to work. So let me show you people how to get this to go. And it's not that difficult. It just took me, about, I think, maybe 25, 30 minutes to finally understand what was happening. And hopefully this video will kind of help make it easier for anybody else that did buy one of these things, because it's a great kit. Just I wish it had the documentation. So anyways, hold on, let me put the hand controller on and I'll pick up the video from there. Okay, I'm still trying to find a comfortable position for this thing to rest on my hand, but what it has is pivots for 5 potentiometers with some Velcro loops that go on your fingers and your thumb, and it's not exactly the most, I'm sorry, I'm going out of camera. It's not exactly the most comfortable thing, but I think maybe that's because I haven't quite figured out the best position for it to be on my hand. And there are some bits of hardware that I think I need to go back in and fix myself. So anyways, let's turn it on. We'll turn on the hand first, and what you'll get is the red LED for the controller, and then the interface board, a blue-red LED, which is apparently standby and power. The Bluetooth receiver, it took me a while to kind of figure out what was happening here, because I didn't see anything just instantly come on when I turned on here. We'll turn on the wrist controller. Didn't see anything immediately happen here, but yet I was seeing a what I assume was a outward standby signal talking to this. And it wasn't until I went in and started moving around everything on the controller here. Let's see if I can get it. You'll see this will, there we go. Okay, now it's fine. Now we push the second button marked K3. There we go. Oops. I hope you're seeing this. It's not exactly. So it's not really the most comprehensive tutorial here, but hopefully it'll get you guys started to where you can finally figure out how to get this thing to go. So again, let's look at this again. Let's turn this off. Let's turn this off. And what we'll do is we turn this on. There we go. The hand resets. And this is standing by. We turn this on. There we go. Now it's kind of like waiting for you to move it around and for the accelerometer and the processor to see the potentiometers moving. And once you, there you go. Once you do see that, now you're okay. K3. There we go. Again, I need to get a little bit more adjustment here. My baby finger's not working so well. But at least I got some activity out of it. You know, it's... yeah. Okay. Well, hopefully we get some better information when I get the documentation. So hope this video helps. Hope it makes sense. And yeah, it's a pretty cool little device. I plan on putting this on Bobby along with a robotic arm, but that's way down the road. So anyways, hope you all have a great great weekend. And well, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.